English Senior, second paper, elaboration questions. Get ready. Start. Field tenders are invited by the Executive Engineer, Pondicherry University, Puducherry, from contractors with previous experience for development of play fields in the Pondicherry University campus. Time limit for completion of the work is 3 months. Estimated cost of the work is 2 crores of rupees. Tender schedules can be had on paying rupees 1,000. Earnest money deposit of rupees 4 lakhs is required in the form of demand draft on a nationalized bank drawn in favor of the finance officer, Pondicherry University. Filled up tenders will be received up to 3 p.m. on the 20th October 2020 and will be opened at 4 p.m. on the same day in the presence of tenderers. Tenders without earnest money deposit will be summarily rejected. This office will not be responsible for any postal delay or loss in transit. Any tender received after the time set forth will not be entertained. The Pondicherry University reserves the right to accept or reject any or all tenders without assigning any reason therefor. Draft tender notice. Number 2. The Chief Medical Officer, Chennai Port Trust, Chennai, invites applications for the post of Medical Officer in Chennai Port Trust Hospital. Scale of pay for the post is rupees 15,000 to 20,000. Age should not exceed 30 years. It is relaxable by 3 years in the case of other backward classes. Qualification required is MBBS of a recognized university with 1 year compulsory house surgency. Candidates with higher qualification and experience will be preferred. Applications with the details of community, proof of age, experience and attested copies of certificates should reach the Chief Medical Officer on or before 10th September 2019. The cover should be superscribed. Application for the post of Medical Officer. Draft and advertisement. Number 3. The Metropolitan Transport Corporation bus stand on Grand Southern Trunk Road at Pallavaram is fully dark at night. There are 15 electric lights, but they are either defective or fused. They have not been repaired for the past 6 months. In spite of repeated requests from the Pallavaram municipality, the Metropolitan Transport Corporation has not so far taken any action in this regard. Draft a petition from President New Colony Residents Welfare Association, Chromepet, Chennai, to the Managing Director of the Metropolitan Transport Corporation, Chennai, to do the needful in the public interest.